Today will be the first episode in series of my Unity journeys. And what is today's topic? Let's start. I believe most of us will experience the concern like this. I want to make a game like this, or I have a free game like this, but how can I? Yes, I can see that the answers are diverse and plays on many factors to game. And Unity may be the key for you or not. Let's check it out. Unity game engine is quite popular in indies. It supports development in 2D, 3D, VR games. Physics, lighting, show are also in lieu. Objects can be simulated to move, have force, and interact with others in real. Your game will be more artistic. It controls well the lighting and sound. And next is the ability to deploy into many platforms. Right! With the language programming C#, you can have many builds in Android, iOS, PC, and more by adding the necessary platform module in Unity Hub. For good things mentionable, maybe all of you will wonder about its pricing. Yes, you see, there are many editions for yours. It will be personal, free of charge. You can publish a commercial game by this edition, but need to note that only free if your total finance from game not exceeds $100,000 for the more recent 12-month period. So I see this is the best choice for you at the beginning step. And last but not least, there is big enough community and tutorial for you to show most of your easy when using Unity Learn, Unity Forum, Unity Answers, and maybe Break It channel. I really love this.